Hello, to turn on Bixby on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all you have to go into the settings. From here scroll down and go into the advanced features and go into Bixby. And now we need to configure the Bixby with our voice, so let's press next. Hi Bixby, set an alarm for 7 AM. Alright. Hi Bixby, how can I make the battery last longer? Hi Bixby, raise the volume and play music. Alright, and as you can see we are done with this configuration, and now we can choose what do we want to say to start for the Bixby to start listening. We can make it hey, we can make it listen to Hi Bixby or simply Bixby. As you can see, let's press next, and great, now we have the Bixby configured, and yeah, basically that's how to enable the Bixby. Let's now try it. Hi Bixby. As you can see, it is right now listening, so that's how to enable the Bixby. Thank you for watching.